Hello US. In this video, I am going to discuss compilation process of C program. How the program is going to run from source code to machine code by using a compiler. What is compilation? It is a process of converting source code into the object code, and it is done with the help of a compiler. The compiler first, what is source code and what is the object code? Source code is used for structural or semantical errors to check before the compiler. And if it is error free, if it doesn't have any errors, then it is used to generate the object code. The C compiler process converts the source code as an input and it will be generating as a object code or a motion code. These are source code where we are giving as an input. It is having 4 steps for the compilation. They are preprocessor, compiler, assembler, and linking. Now I'll be explaining detailedly about preprocessor, compiler, assembler. Preprocessor takes the source code as input and it removes the comments from the source code. The processor directive and interrupts. For example, we'll be having studio.h, the directive available in the program. Then the preprocessor interrupts the directive and replaces the directive with the content of studio.h. That is a use of a preprocessor command. Now, next one is compiler. In the compiler, will be used for expanding by the preprocessor. It is passed to the compiler. The compiler converts the code into the assembly code, or we can say that compiler is used to convert preprocessor code into the assembly code. Where we can observe we are having it's converting the assembly code and giving for the assembler. Now, assemblers is used for converting the object code by using a assembly code. The name of the object file is generated from the assembler. And the execution of the object file is doc with .obj. It is extension of O. The name of source file. This is a source file what we are getting. Then the name of the object file will be hello.object or whatever the data we are giving like hi.object. That object file is giving for the linker. Now linker is used to return in a C library function. These library functions are pre-compiled and the object code of this library file is stored in .lib or an extension. The main function of this linker is used to combine the object code and library files with the width of our program. Sometimes the situation arises like when a program refers to the function in other files, the linker plays a very important role in this. The linker in the object code of these files to our program. Then it concludes that job of the linker is to link the object code of our program. So for example, we can use printf function in a program. Then it links the adds in the assembler object into the object file. So this is the total process how the code is giving for the source code and how it is converting to the executable file or the object file. Now let us see how we with a flow diagram about the execution process. This is the execution process, how the program is going to execute. For this, firstly, I'm seeing the input. Like first C program I'm giving an as input like hello.c. So this is passed to the processor. So then the processor converts to the source code into the expand the source code. This expand source code where it is converting by this processor. So the extension of this expand source code would be hello.i. Then this expand source code is used passed to the compiler and then the compiler converts the expand source code into the assembler code. with the assembly code would be of hello.s. Then, this hello.s from the assembly code is sent to the assembler. So assembler is sent to the assembler, which converts assembly code into the object code, that is hello.object. So from the object code, we are giving to the linker, and the code is going to be executed with .exe. And we are giving to the loader, then our program is going to execute. This is a flow diagram of how program can be compiled by using the object code to the source code. So this is a block diagram for explaining how the each processor and compiler, assembler and linker, what are their functions. This is the flow diagram how the program is going to convert object code to the source code. Thank you.